To make a bucket in Minecraft, you need 3 iron ingots. So the very first step is to find iron. Now your best bet is to go inside a mine and try to find iron blocks inside there. Once you find iron, make sure to use a pickaxe to break those iron blocks to get iron ore. Now to convert this iron ore into iron ingots, you need to use a furnace. So also mine some coal to fire up the furnace. Now to make a furnace, you need to arrange the cobblestone in this particular manner to get a furnace. And then place the furnace at any desired location, place in the iron ore and then place in the coal in the lower box. And then wait for some time for the iron ore to melt and you will be able to get iron ingots from it. And then finally you need to place the 3 iron ingots in this particular order to make the iron bucket.